Hey, if you are looking for the camera settings on the Realme 11 5G, let me show you. So when you open your camera, you can find the settings in the right upper corner by tapping on these three lines. You can open the settings. And as you can see from here, we can find the camera watermark. Below we can find the grid lines, camera leveler, shutter sound. We can mirror selfie, add location tags. That's some preset settings like shuttering mode, creative effects or pro settings. Also we can find shuttering methods, so we can take photo by clicking on the screen or showing the palm of the hand, the high efficiency video, the portrait disorientation correction, the volume button function, quick launch, quick share, and we can restore all default settings. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.